Bye, baby. Let me fix this. Alright, so pop this off. A lot of them you just pull from the bottom. See, does nothing. That's the switch. The new switch. It's pretty much the same. You probably just look a power wheel switch. And here's how you test it. Pop this apart. Alright, so it's your battery plugged in. I'll just short these. That lets you know the switch is bad. Put the new switch in. Water gets in here. You can see how dirty this one is being left outside. When the water gets in, it just ruins the damn switch. Or sometimes you can just have corrosion in here and you can just clean it. Yeah, wait, but this thing's dirty. I gotta clean it. You need to paint this. Little boy running around with a pink Escalade. These were your sisters. Alright. You just squeeze this little connector to release it. A little plunger switch. Hold on, bud, these aren't lining up. Oh, you have no patience. Lock the doors. Keep the kids out.
Oh, wow.
It's locked, I know. Yeah, hold on, bud. Hold on a second. I've got this part of the switch in. There you go, bud. Think back's the other way. Think back's down. Yeah, back's down. Oh, you're stuck. Go ahead.